Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how to make some very simple flower earrings out of memory wire. What you're going to need for this project is the ring size memory wire. I have my earring hooks. I'm using 8mm cat's eye beads. I have flat pliers, round pliers, and I'm using the memory wire cutters. You do not want to use your finest cutters with this project. We're doing 5 petals, so we're going to take 5 loops here. So go ahead and just take the loops, so there'll be like one complete one, and then 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have the 5 loops, and then we want to cut a little bit extra because we're going to have to like turn the loops back a bit. So just rotate it a little bit and then cut it, say about 1/2 inch or more from where that one starts. Just like go across 5 and then go over to the left a little bit. Clip it there. Remove that one. And then we have to create our loops. So we're just going to open this up and loop this towards the inside. So take the end and loop it around. Sometimes you have to put it like a little beyond and then back so that loop is closed. And then we're going to do this side over here. Open it up. And then we're going to loop it towards the inside. Take it, it's very stiff, so don't use your very delicate pliers either. So we're going to bring that in. And then if you need your flat pliers, just like pinch it in a little bit. So we have something that looks like this. So now what we're going to do is actually take the memory wire, and we want to pull the petals apart. So we're just going to take this and then bring it this way, and then this one too. We're going to take this one and separate them. You have to tug it a little bit. This one too. Pull it. Try to make these even. And then one more. There. If you pulled them too much, push them in a little bit more, just so they're somewhat even. So now we're going to take our 24 gauge wire, and then we're going to start by putting it through this loop here, and then we just want to bring it to the opposite side. So we're just going to bring it up here and just kind of go back and forth, and we're going to put it in this loop. And then over to this side. We just want to secure it in place to start, and then through that loop there. So we have the basic configuration there. Just bring all these ends in together. You can bring this one up to the front. So once you have those all attached, you can add your bead. So this is the 8mm cat's eye bead. Bend it over and bring it through to the opposite side. Bring it through, and then we can come back over to this side, bring it up again, and then go back through the hole again. That's why we're using a thinner wire, so we could go through the hole several times. So we're going to go there and then hold it snugly, pull it straight across, and then bring it back down. And then you can actually just wind it around the intersection here and down. Give it a little clip, pinch it in place, and then this side too, we can just wind it around a couple of times just to get it secure. Give it a little clip, pinch it in place, and then from here we can adjust it so this bead will cover up the little loops underneath. And then all you have to do is add your hook. So just open up the hook, stick it on any of the petals, and there you have your super simple and beautiful flower earrings made out of memory wire. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.